Bearded vultures are one of the largest birds of prey in the world. This specimen was originally from Sierra Nevada in Spain and was sadly killed by a hunter in 1873. Because of human persecution, they were nearly wiped out in parts of Europe, and they're still rare even today. Bearded vultures live nearly exclusively on bone and bone marrow. They use their powerful beak and talons to break open bones to get to the nutritious marrow inside. Any bones that are too big to break in this way are picked up, carried high in the air and dropped. Bearded vultures will also eat tortoises in much the same way that they eat bones, which is why ours has been preserved holding one in its talons. There is a legend that the ancient Greek author Aeschylus was killed when a bearded vulture dropped a tortoise on his bald head. Unlike Aeschylus and most of the vultures, bearded vultures don't have a bald head. Other vultures scavenge animals that are still gooey, often putting their entire heads into the carcass. Rather than having head feathers that are constantly matted and diseased, they became bald. But thanks to the bearded vulture's bony diet, it doesn't have this problem. Ironically, adult birds will deliberately cover their neck and chest feathers in iron-rich mud, turning them red. They're the only bird in the world that deliberately decorates itself in this way, and why they do it is still a mystery. The bearded vulture gets its name from the small tuft of feathers on its chin, which is found in both males and females. The beard becomes more prominent once the bird has reached sexual maturity, and so it's probably a means for them to distinguish adults from juveniles. Like many birds of prey, bearded vultures have incredible eyesight, which they use to locate food whilst hundreds of meters in the air. Living bearded vultures have a vivid red ring around their eyes. Our specimen doesn't have this red ring, which probably means that the taxidermist had never seen a living specimen.